Stop removing your boundaries for people because they will ruin you. If someone give you this bit of trouble, you see, and you remain, the person can never give you that exact measurement next time. It increases to this. And the more you tolerate and remain in it, it increases until it swallows you up. It is very important to identify your position in people's life. Know when to stay and know when to leave. Human beings are complicated. Sometimes the mouth will be saying things different from the attitude. Then, which one do you take more serious, the words or the attitude? I will say the attitude. The attitude tells you everything. Okay? Our attitude has a way of interpreting what is inward, what is in our hearts, as we cannot say all of them. So that is why if you're a very sensitive person, when you watch someone, you notice sometimes their attitude says different things from what their words interpret, or different from what comes out of their mouth. And I will urge you to take attitude more serious. Know when to stay, know when to leave. Know when to stay and know when to live people's lives. Because the attitude will always tell you. And if you do this, you will avoid heartbreak. Yes, exactly. Stop taking excuses for people. They know what they are doing. When you notice that, you quietly remove yourself. It's called self-respect. You respect yourself. Your heart can only be broken when you have refused to listen to your observations, or when you fail to listen to your spirit, or when you have decided not to observe the attitudes. If you're very observant to people's attitudes, your heart can never be broken. You live before that time. Because what leads to heartbreak is when they give you that attitude, you remain. They push it further, you remain. That is human being. If someone give you this bit of trouble, you see, and you remain, the person can never give you that exact measurement next time. It increases to this. And the more you tolerate and remain in it, it increases until it swallows you up. And that is why it is important, if you respect yourself, immediately somebody come up with something you are not going to tolerate, or something you are not comfortable with, face it immediately. Tell the person, it's okay. Don't go further. That is called boundary. That is called boundary. The heart is the battlefield of life. And when it is corrupt, the whole life is corrupted. When it is troubled, the whole life is troubled. But when it is at peace, your entire life and endeavor are peaceful. I am still Onyi, Promise the Happiness Minister. Remember our code. Our code is, don't allow your circumstances to determine your mood, because we are the happiness ministers. See you in the next one. Love you so much.